نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال النبي صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم السواك مطلق للفم ومطلق من ربي. Dear audience, today I want to describe the benefits of Miswak. Dear audience, there are to grab the benefits of Miswak. Ordinary and hereafter, the ordinary benefits that the teeth remaining clean. No smell bad breath, and a person is protected from stomach diseases. Dear audience, and the ultimate benefits, Allah is pleased with the one who brushes. We pray to Allah grant us the opportunity to brush our teeth. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum assalam.